Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. First of all, thank you so much to all of you. With your support, today our channel has completed 1k subscribers. Keep supporting us like this and we will try to provide you the best content. Let's talk about the video. In this video, we have covered top 20 important questions of GK, which is very important for your upcoming exams. If you are preparing for any competitive exam, then this video will be very useful for you. And after watching the entire video, you will be able to answer about 30 plus questions. So watch the video till the end. Let's start the video with question number 1. Who is the first industrialist to receive Bharat Ratna? The right answer is option B, J.R.D. Tata. J.R.D. Tata is the first industrialist to receive Bharat Ratna. Let's see some important points about Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of India, which is given to the national services, and it is established on 1954. And the first Bharat Ratna award was given to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Sir C.V. Raman, and Chakravarti Rajgopalchari. These are the first Indians who received Bharat Ratna award in 1954, which is the established year of Bharat Ratna. And the Bharat Ratna award last given to Nanaji Deshmukh, Bhupen Hazarika, and Pranab Mukherjee in 2019. So remember all these points. Let's see the next question. Where is the headquarters of NATO located? The right answer is option C, Brussels. The headquarters of NATO is located in Brussels. Let's see some important points about NATO. Full form of NATO is North Atlantic Treaty Organization, and it is formed on 4th April 1949. And the total member countries of NATO is 31, and the 31st country member of NATO is Finland. So remember this. And the present Secretary General of NATO is Jens Stoltenberg. So remember all this. Let's see the next question. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by whom? The right answer is option C, President. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by the President on the advice of the Prime Minister. So remember this. Let's see some important points about CAG. Article 148 to 151 of Indian Constitution deal with the powers and functions of Comptroller and Auditor General of India. And the first Comptroller and Auditor General of Independent India was V. Narahari Rao. And the present Comptroller and Auditor General of India is Girish Chandra Murmu. He is the 15th Comptroller and Auditor General of India. So remember this. If you want to watch a video related to who is who in India, then I will give you the link on the I button. By clicking there, you can watch that video. Let's see the next question. What is the name of border between India and China? The right answer is option B, McMahon Line. The name of border between India and China is McMahon Line. Let's see about some other international border lines. The border name between India and Pakistan is Radcliffe Line. The border name between South Korea and North Korea is 38th parallel. The border name between Germany and Poland is Hindenburg Line. And the border name between USA and Canada is 49th parallel. So friends, remember all these border lines. Let's see the next question. Where is the Kundalkulam nuclear power plant located? The right answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Kundalkulam nuclear power plant is located in Tamil Nadu, and it is the largest nuclear power station in India. And it is built in collaboration with Russia. So remember this. Let's see the next question. What is the number of Lok Sabha seats in Uttar Pradesh? The right answer is option C, 80. The number of Lok Sabha seats in Uttar Pradesh is 80, and Uttar Pradesh has the highest number of Lok Sabha seats in India. 5 states with the highest Lok Sabha seats. Uttar Pradesh has 80 Lok Sabha seats. Second number is Maharashtra. Maharashtra has 48 Lok Sabha seats. West Bengal has 42 Lok Sabha seats, Bihar has 40 Lok Sabha seats, and Tamil Nadu has 39 Lok Sabha seats. So friends, remember this. These are the 5 states with the highest Lok Sabha seats. and the total number of Lok Sabha seats in India is 545. So friends, remember this. Let's see the next question. Which is the India's first water plus city? The right answer is option B, Indore. Indore is the India's first water plus city and it is also the cleanest city of India according to Swachhata Sarvekshan. And recently Indore topped in the Clean Air Survey 2023. So friends, remember this. Let's see the next question. In which part of the Indian Constitution fundamental rights are mentioned? The right answer is option D, part 3. Part 3 of the Indian Constitution is related to fundamental rights and the article 12 to 35 of Indian Constitution deal with the fundamental rights. So remember this. Part 1 of Indian Constitution is related to the Union and its territory, and the Part 2 of Indian Constitution is related to citizenship, and the Part 4 of the Indian Constitution is related to directive principle of state policy. So remember all this. Let's see the next question. Who is the first woman Chief Election Commissioner of India? The right answer is option B, V.S. Ramadevi. V.S. Ramadevi is the first woman Chief Election Commissioner of India. Remember this. Bhavna Kant is the first female fighter pilot in India. Annie Besant is the first female president of Congress. And the Arundhati Roy is the first Indian woman to win the Booker Prize. So remember all this. Let's see the next question. When is World Hindi Day celebrated? The right answer is option D, 10th January. 10th January is celebrated as World Hindi Day. So remember this. And the National Hindi Day is celebrated on 14th September. So remember this. Theme of the World Hindi Day 2023 is Traditional Knowledge to Artificial Intelligence. 12th World Hindi Conference 2023 held in Nadi, which is in Fiji. So remember this. Let's see the next question. In whose court did the ambassador Dimachus come? The right answer is option C, Bindusar. Dimachus came to India during the reign of Bindusar and he was sent by Syrian king Antiochus I. So remember this. Let's see the next question. Where is the world's floating national park located? The right answer is option C, Manipur. World's only floating national park is located in Manipur in Loktak Lake. And name of this floating national park is Keibul Lamjau. So remember this. Let's see the next question. Who was the first to succeed in reading the inscription of Ashoka? The right answer is option A, James Prinsep. James Prinsep was the first person who read the inscription of Ashoka. So remember this. Next question. According to Article 75(3), the Council of Ministers is answerable to whom? The right answer is option A, Lok Sabha. According to Article 75(3) of Indian Constitution, the Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the House of the People. So remember this. Let's see the next question. Who will host the ODI Cricket World Cup 2023? The right answer is option A, India. India will host the ODI Cricket World Cup 2023. So remember this. Next question. Who has been given the Best Actor Award in 69th National Film Awards? The right answer is option D, Allu Arjun. Allu Arjun has been given the Best Actor Award in the 69th National Film Awards. And the Best Actor Award given to him for his film Pushpa The Rise. And he became the first Telugu actor to receive this award. So remember this. Next question. Who is the author of Gita Rahasya? The right answer is option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is the author of Gita Rahasya. Next question. Under which article the Supreme Court is a court of record? The right answer is option C, Article 129. According to Article 129 of the Indian Constitution, Supreme Court is a court of record. Next question. Almaty Dam is constructed on which river? The right answer is option C, Krishna. Almaty Dam is constructed on Krishna River and it is located in Karnataka. And Almaty Dam is also known as Lal Bahadur Shastri Dam. So remember this. Next question. Who is known as father of scientific socialism? The right answer is option A, Karl Marx. Karl Marx is known as father of scientific socialism. So remember this. So friends, today's question for you. Who has been given the Best Hindi Film Award in the 69th National Film Awards? Give the answer in the comment box. Friends, I hope you liked the video. If you really found this video helpful, then press the like button and share it to all your friends. And if you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel for latest content. Thank you so much.